Hello viewers, welcome to Arjun's Botany. I'm back with new video and topic cytoplasm. Cyto means cell and plasm is a fluid layer. We have discussed in previous video that plant shell have a cell wall. Behind the cell wall there is a plasma membrane or cell membrane. This is cell wall, this is cell membrane or plasma membrane. But in animal cell wall is not present, so plasma membrane is the outermost layer of animal cell. Behind behind plasma membrane, this is cytoplasm, and this is fluid in nature. So plasma membrane encloses a homogeneous, that is same, homo means same, transparent clear material called cytoplasm. Cyto means cell and plasm means fluid. So cytoplasm is called as cell fluid or fluid present inside a cell. It is of two parts, one is ectoplasm, other one is endoplasm. Inside cytoplasm, the outer portion of cytoplasm is called as ectoplasm, and the medulla, this is the cortex portion, outer portion, and the middle portion is called as medulla. This is endoplasm. That means ecto means outer cytoplasm, and endo means inner. So inner cytoplasm. Ectoplasm is less dense while endoplasm is dense. Coming to the chemical composition, cytoplasm is a true colloidal solution as it shows Brownian movement, Tyndall effect, and a biphasic movement, and it contains different carbohydrates, fats, nucleic acids like RNA and DNA, vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and proteins. So these are all the constituents present in cytoplasm, which are present in 99% of water. Water is present. Along with it, these are the constituents present, and water acts as a solvent. In prokaryotic cytoplasm, pro means primitive, karyotic is derived from karyon word, which means nucleus. Prokaryotic is the example of microorganisms like bacteria. So in bacterial cytoplasm, it is different from eukaryotic, that is plant shell and animal cell cytoplasm. As it is as it doesn't show cytoplasmic streaming. Streaming means movement. So what is the function? It provides the raw material to different component of cell. The main function of cytoplasm is it provides materials or component to the cell for functioning. Next is it helps in exchange of materials between differential organisms. We have studied in cell membrane, that is plasma membrane, it is connected. The cell is connected by a plasmodesmata, and the materials present in cytoplasm get transferred or get exchanged into the other. So whatever material present in the cytoplasm of one cell, it gets exchanged through plasmodesmata to other cell. So its main function is exchange of material between different shell organelles. Organelles like mitochondria, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum. It is also site of biosynthesis of organic molecules like fat, nucleotides, proteins, etc. So fat synthesis occur, DNA RNA synthesis occur, protein synthesis occur. These all synthesis occurs in cytoplasm. And the most important property of eukaryotic cytoplasm. Eukaryotic means plant cell and animal cell which have well organized nucleus. Here the movement of cytoplasm is cyclosis. As it is fluid in nature, so the movement is cyclosis in nature. So this is all about cytoplasm, and in cytoplasm different cell organelles are also present like mitochondria. Mitochondria is present in plant shell. Chloroplast is also present. Animal cell it is absent. Golgi body is present. Endoplasmic reticulum is present. Ribosome is present. So these are all cell organelles which are present in cytoplasm. This is all about the structure of the details of cytoplasm. Hope you like this video. Thank you.